In a previous video, we explored the creation of a G-code for a spiral column. We're taking it a step further by modifying that code to produce a triangular spiral column. Important note, this is an educational video intended for learning purposes. This is the old code, and this is the new code modified. Introducing the G92 command, here's how it works. When you input the G92 command, you're essentially telling your machine, this is where we begin. Whether you're working on a lathe, mill, or any CNC control device, this command allows you to reset or redefine the coordinate system at any point during your program. In this G-code line, I've transformed a single line into two powerful lines of G-code. I've introduced the Y-axis movement to work in harmony with the X-axis. As the X-axis moves forward, the Y-axis descends simultaneously, reaching the midpoint of its travel. Then, starting from the midpoint onward, the Y-axis begins to ascend again. Copy and paste the code 3 times and save. Learning to write G-code by hand. Not a whim, but a must. In the world of CNC machining, typing a few lines of G-code directly from your keyboard isn't just a fancy skill. It's a responsibility. Understanding G-code, at least the essential commands, is like learning the alphabet of machining, relying solely on advanced, closed-off software programs. Those black boxes that do everything for you might seem convenient, but it limits your potential. Why settle for being a passive user when you can become a true master of your craft? Writing G-code manually, even just for fun, opens up a world of possibilities. It's not just about control. It's about creativity, precision, and independence. Here's why you should embrace manual G-code writing. Unlock creativity. When you write G-code yourself, you're not bound by the limitations of pre-programmed software. You can experiment, tweak, and create unique solutions tailored to your needs. Deepen your understanding. Knowing how to write G-code manually helps you understand the core principles of CNC machining. It's like learning to drive a manual car instead of relying on autopilot. Problem-solving power. When something goes wrong, and it will, you'll have the skills to diagnose and fix issues directly in the code rather than being stuck waiting for software updates or support. It's fun. There's a certain joy in seeing your machine move exactly as you programmed it, line by line. It's like solving a puzzle or composing music. Every command is a note in your machining symphony. So, don't just rely on those black box programs. Take the time to learn the essentials of G-code. Start small, write a few lines by hand, and watch as your confidence and expertise grow. Whether it's for work, learning, or just the sheer thrill of creation, writing G-code manually is a skill that will set you apart. Dare to code, dare to create, and dare to take control of your machining journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.